In this video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn Open to Work status. To do this, just go and open up LinkedIn, and I recommend doing this on PC and in a browser. From here, just go and click on Me right there, and then click View Profile. Now from your profile, you will see this button that says Open To. Go and click on Open To, and now here select either finding a new job, hiring, or providing services. I'll go with finding a new job. Then here just select which job titles you are looking for, then the location, location type, the start date and all of that, and then just go and click save. And once you have done that, if you selected that everyone can see it, then right now you have some kind of a green badge, and I'll actually show you what that looks like. So right here you can see it, so then it says open to work, but that's only visible if you set it to all LinkedIn members can see that you're looking for work. If it's only recruiters, then only recruiters will see that you're looking for work. Now, if you already have added it and you want to remove it, then here just click on the edit icon, and at the bottom here click on delete and then click delete again. And then it will be removed and your job preferences have been deleted. So that's how to change LinkedIn Open to Work status. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.